It's 2-Minute Tuesday, and today I'll show you one of the most basic secrets about delicious chicken wings. And the best part is, it only takes 3 steps for amazing wings. Follow this very basic recipe for a new flavor profile for your wings. It'll blow your taste buds away, and it's like magic. So let's get started. Start your pit barrel cooker and allow the coals to ash over. This will take approximately 20 minutes. Rinse your wings and pat them dry and apply a coating of spray corn or vegetable oil. This gives the seasoning something to hold on to. I use my own spice mix of brown sugar, salt, and some other seasonings that will help to create a caramelized, crusty exterior and balance the savory spices. I'll put the recipe in the description so that you might give it a try. Liberally apply the spice mix to both sides of the wings. Now let the wings set for 5 minutes so the spices can adhere to the wings. The pit barrel cooker should be ready now. Insert the grill grate and load the wings onto it. Keep a small air gap between them all so that smoky goodness can get all over. Now close the lid and check back in 45 minutes. So it's been about 45 minutes. Let's check on those wings. We're looking for a uniform color and a temperature of 165 degrees. Well, these wings look good and are done. Pull them out and let the wings rest for 5 minutes under a foil tent. Serve them with your favorite barbecue sauce. I like a variety of sauces so that I can dip them in different spices or sauces as I go. Well, there you have it, a wing recipe that is tasty and is easy to make, and there will be no leftovers. What's your favorite wings recipe? Let me know in the comments below. If I like your recipe, I'll feature it in an upcoming video. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers by liking and sharing this video with a friend and also subscribing to my channel. Since you're already there, go ahead and click that bell icon so that you can get notified of any updates. Let me know in the comments below what was the favorite part of your video. And if you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments section as well. I'm Berlon Burch. I'll see you next time.